The Kérastase Nutritive 8H Magic Night Serum is a luxurious overnight hair treatment that has gained a lot of appreciation from people who want to deeply nourish and care for their hair with minimal effort. One of the most appealing aspects of this serum is the way it works while you sleep. Instead of spending extra time during the day applying masks or intensive treatments, this serum allows your hair to receive nourishment throughout the night. The idea of applying a lightweight treatment before bedtime and waking up with softer, healthier-looking hair makes it a very convenient addition to any hair care routine. Many users find that after applying the serum to the lengths and ends of their hair, it absorbs smoothly without leaving a greasy or heavy feeling. This makes it comfortable to use overnight, even for people who usually avoid leave-in treatments due to concerns about residue or buildup. The texture of the serum is often described as silky and lightweight, which helps it spread easily through the hair. A small amount is usually enough to coat the mid-lengths and ends, making the application process simple and quick. Because the formula is designed specifically for overnight use, it gradually penetrates the hair fibers and provides hydration over several hours. By morning, hair tends to feel noticeably softer and smoother. Many people also notice that their hair becomes easier to brush and style when they wake up. Instead of dealing with dryness or frizz, the hair often appears more polished and manageable. This improvement in texture can make a big difference for people with dry or slightly damaged hair who want a simple solution to restore softness and shine. Another reason the serum is so highly appreciated is the way it helps reduce frizz and dryness. Hair can easily lose moisture due to environmental factors, heat styling tools, or frequent washing. Over time, this lack of moisture can make hair appear dull and rough. The overnight action of the serum helps replenish hydration and smooth the outer layer of the hair. When the cuticle becomes smoother, hair reflects light better, which creates a healthier and shinier appearance. Many users say that after using the serum regularly, their hair looks more vibrant and feels more nourished. The improvement is not just temporary softness but a gradual enhancement in the overall condition of the hair. The nighttime use of the product also provides a protective effect. During sleep, hair often rubs against pillows and bedding, which can cause tangles or frizz. By applying the serum before bed, the hair receives an extra layer of nourishment that helps reduce the dryness caused by friction. As a result, hair often looks calmer and less tangled in the morning. This can be especially beneficial for people with long hair, as overnight tangling can sometimes lead to breakage or difficulty when brushing the hair the next day. Another highlight of the Kérastase Nutritive 8H Magic Night Serum is the overall experience of using it. Many people appreciate that it feels like a premium self-care step rather than just another hair product. Applying the serum at night can become a relaxing part of a bedtime routine. The smooth texture glides through the hair easily, and the gentle fragrance adds a luxurious touch that makes the experience more enjoyable. This small moment of care before sleep can make the hair care routine feel more special and comforting. With consistent use, the serum can also help improve the overall manageability of the hair. Hair that receives regular nourishment tends to behave better during styling. It becomes easier to detangle, smoother when brushing, and more cooperative when using styling tools. People who struggle with frizzy or dry hair often notice that their hair starts to feel softer and more flexible after incorporating the serum into their nightly routine. This improvement can make everyday styling much easier and less time-consuming. The serum also works well for people who want hydration without heaviness. Some deep conditioning treatments can leave hair feeling coated or weighed down, but this overnight serum is designed to maintain a natural, lightweight feel. Even though it provides nourishment, it still allows the hair to move freely and feel soft rather than stiff. This balance between hydration and lightness is one of the reasons many people continue using the product regularly. Over time, consistent application may contribute to healthier-looking hair overall. Hair that receives steady moisture and care tends to maintain a smoother surface and a stronger structure. While the most immediate results are softness and shine, long-term use can support improved hair appearance and resilience. People often notice that their hair looks more vibrant, feels silkier, and appears less dry than before they started using the serum. Overall, the Kérastase Nutritive 8H Magic Night Serum stands out as a thoughtful and convenient hair care solution. It combines the benefits of deep nourishment, overnight convenience, and a luxurious user experience. By simply applying the serum before bed, you allow your hair to receive hours of gentle care while you rest. When morning comes, the hair often feels smoother, softer, and easier to manage, making the product a valuable addition to a nightly hair care routine for anyone looking to maintain healthy and beautiful hair. Another reason many people appreciate the Kérastase Nutritive 8H Magic Night Serum is the noticeable improvement in hair softness and smoothness after regular use. Hair that feels rough or dry during the day often needs consistent nourishment, and this overnight serum provides that support in a simple and effortless way. When applied before sleep, the formula slowly works through the hair fibers and helps replenish moisture that may have been lost due to environmental exposure, heat styling, or chemical treatments. By the time morning arrives, many users notice that their hair feels significantly softer to the touch. The strands appear smoother, and the hair overall feels more hydrated and comfortable rather than dry or brittle. This gradual hydration process is especially helpful for people whose hair tends to become frizzy or difficult to control. Frizz often occurs when the hair lacks moisture, causing the strands to lift and create a rough texture. The overnight nourishment provided by the serum helps smooth the hair surface and maintain a balanced level of moisture. As a result, hair often appears calmer and more polished. Instead of waking up with messy or tangled hair, many users find that their hair looks more settled and easier to manage. This can make a big difference in daily hair routines, especially for individuals who prefer quick and simple styling in the morning. Another benefit that many people notice is how the serum enhances the natural shine of the hair. Healthy hair tends to reflect light better because its outer layer lies flat and smooth. When hair becomes dry or damaged, the cuticle can become rough, which reduces shine and makes the hair look dull. By delivering hydration overnight, the serum helps smooth the cuticle layer and restore a more reflective surface. The result is hair that appears shinier and more vibrant without looking oily or weighed down. This natural shine gives the hair a healthy and well-maintained appearance that many people appreciate. The serum also contributes to a feeling of overall hair comfort. Sometimes hair can feel stiff, dry, or lifeless after exposure to heat tools or styling products. Using a nourishing treatment at night can help restore a sense of softness and flexibility to the strands. Many users describe waking up with hair that feels lighter, smoother, and more pleasant to touch. This subtle yet noticeable improvement in texture can make the hair feel healthier and easier to care for throughout the day. In addition to improving softness and shine, the Kérastase Nutritive 8H Magic Night Serum is valued for the way it simplifies long-term hair care. Many hair treatments require extra time, complicated application methods, or frequent rinsing. This serum, however, fits easily into a simple nightly routine. By applying it before bed, the hair receives hours of nourishment without interrupting daily schedules. This convenience is one of the reasons the product has become popular among people who want effective hair care without spending too much time on treatments. The overnight action of the serum also supports improved manageability. Hair that receives consistent hydration tends to be easier to comb, brush, and style. Over time, people may notice that their hair becomes less prone to tangling and feels smoother when running their fingers through it. This improved manageability can make everyday styling less stressful and more enjoyable. Instead of dealing with knots or rough strands, the hair often feels more cooperative and flexible. Another positive aspect is how well the serum fits into different hair routines. It can be used alone as a nourishing overnight treatment or combined with other hair care steps during the day. Because the formula is lightweight, it does not interfere with styling products used the next morning. This flexibility allows people to customize their hair care routine according to their needs while still benefiting from the overnight nourishment provided by the serum. Many people also appreciate the sense of luxury that comes with using a high-quality hair care product like this. The elegant texture, gentle fragrance, and overall experience of applying the serum before sleep can make the nighttime routine feel more relaxing. Small self-care habits like this often contribute to a more enjoyable daily routine, turning ordinary hair care into a calming ritual before bed. Overall, the Kérastase Nutritive 8H Magic Night Serum stands out as a thoughtful and effective solution for maintaining soft, hydrated, and healthy-looking hair. By delivering nourishment throughout the night, it allows the hair to recover and refresh while you rest. With consistent use, many people find that their hair becomes smoother, shinier, and easier to manage, making the serum a valuable addition to a regular hair care routine. The combination of convenience, nourishment, and visible improvement makes it a product that many users are happy to include in their nightly self-care routine.